Did you get from him a dragon? No. Good morning, guys. So today Young Jay's grandparents are at home, and therefore when we woke up, my mom went and I lied down with him, and because she wanted to cuddle him, but now he's awake.
Totota, Mishkuti, Pitluti, Nanite, Nanute, Chabge, Gaume, Agaunchige, Gugamilimi, Argugamilimi, Toto Gumogya, Itoto Dunte, 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 Dunte.
Go where?
क्या बोल रहा है?
Ready, steady, go.
Go! Yeah! मिल गया!
He's looking outside the window. He has come to his jungle, his mini jungle.
इसमें ज़्यादा पानी नहीं जाता।
He's trying to remove it. Only. Busy. Keeps him busy. But he's very fond of these structures. So there's one over here, and then there's an Avenger one over there. By the way, this kurta, as you know in the last vlog, my mom actually made this for him, and today she's going to make another one. That's why I was looking for the scissors, and let me show you the fabric color. So this will be the next kurta pajama fabric.
So one thing mom missed was this. The car truck. He put all the grapes in it. I just noticed just now.
So for breakfast we are getting pakoras made, and then here is coffee. My coffee, let me show you. I don't have a frother, but let me show you how I make frothy coffee for myself, like a nice cappuccino. So once your milk is hot, what I do is I just pour it in this glass bottle. Any glass bottle you can take, but just make sure that the glass bottle is heat. You know, it can take the heat basically. So because some of these, you know, this is like a juice glass bottle, some of them are pretty weak, and if the milk is very hot, they can break. But my milk is hot, like it's hot, but what I'm talking about is bubbling hot. Like you can see it's hot, but it should not be like bubbling hot, because if that is the case, then there is a chances of bottle breaking. And all you do is just pour it in this bottle, close it tightly. I do it for my cold coffee also. In that there is no issue of milk being hot. Anyways, and then just shake it really hard. You don't have to do it for very long, and this should be done. And there you go. And there it is. So I am not ready to cook, but ready to paint my main door. So far it looks like this. I have placed the shelves, and I have painted the, what do you call this thing, but whatever, the border of the door. Yesterday I made this wall plate decor, and I have primed the door. Now I'm going to paint it in rust color. Let's see how it looks.
their painting starts.
Oh, you and me are wearing same color, which I realized on the camera. Now mommy's eating one Korean bread with cream and pineapple. Now you will not let me eat, na? Mashisa? Amma mogo, dha mogo? Youngji's kurta in the making. This is my craft room, which is a super mess. I have to buy shelves. And what is this? Youngji, Umoya, what are you doing? Why are you throwing all the masks? What is this? What is this? What is this? And this is the skirts. This used to be my dress, post-pregnancy dress, which I can...
Why? What happened? What happened? You're scared of pigeon now? Why? What could it be? Oh yeah. Go.
He's trying to catch butterflies. No, observing.
Oh, not the big one, orange one. No, that one is far. No, here one.
He's like, come to me.
Here, 1, 2, 3. What happened, Kitty? What happened? What happened?
He wants you to catch one for him.
What happened, Kitty? Come to daddy. Let's go. Where's the Here. Here one.
Did you get from him a dragon? No, it's not coming in the camera. Let me show. You
what's
got
this?
one from outside him. It's real. It's alive. Let's
Yeah.
put it in some jar. I have one jar.
It's
We'll enjoy.
dragonfly.
Youngji, should I put it in one jar? Wait, Mama will put it in a jar.
It's dragonfly.
It's not a bee. It's a dragonfly. Ay, tickling, tickle. Dragonfly tickling mommy. Tickle to Youngji also. Haji, dashi ba?
Dragonfly.
Youngji, dashi ba? How did you find one? I think you have to take him down for these nature things sometimes, because you can catch all of these things. Cutie
Oh.
dragonfly.
아까 세게 잡는 게 죽어간대. 살살 해야지. 손 줘봐. 괜찮아. 안 물어. 살살. 안 물어.
Tickle. It's just tickle,
Baba.
Youngji. अरे dragonfly के साथ.
Steady.
Where did it go? There it is. Manu, I made holes in this. I'll put some cocoa peat and mud and some leaves, and you can put. Let him see, na. He'll see also. We'll leave.
अंदर डाल के.
अंदर डाल के, and then we'll leave it in the evening
Something.
for some time.
एक branch ले आओ.
हाँ वो मैं कर रही हूँ. I'm making wait. You can put in this. I made lot of holes.
I released already.
Where?
Here.
Send it now. Bring
this,
it back.
This area, it's safe for see. It's hanging there only. It will not go anywhere.
Sure.
It's there.
There it is. I wanted to put it in this. I made it such a nice pot for Young Jay. I think then I'll use this for ladybugs later.
Right. That's better idea. Size, yeah.
But you know, like, I also never did this as a kid. So I also wanted to do. Like,
अभी छोड़ दिया ना तो देख
ईद में नहीं छोड़ देते ना.
तो अभी तो है कहीं नहीं जाएगा.
So chicken curry is ready, made by me. Salad, rice, or raita. Always excited. He was ready to go and sleep. As soon as I showed him his plate, he got so excited. And it is one of his favorite meals. Youngju, what's that? It's a chicken. What's that? आँख में लगा ले. Why can't Nani sit? बैठने नहीं लगा देंगे. नहीं सारे मम्मी जरा हटना, मैं देखती हूँ. मैं बैठती हूँ, मुझे बैठने दे.
तेरे को बैठने देगा. मोमी मोमी कर रहा. मोमी सीट है.
नहीं, अपने सारे टॉयज रखे हैं वहाँ पे. लेट्स सी. कोई नहीं बैठेगा, टॉयज बैठेंगे इसके. Who's this? Who's this?
이렇게 나 करो रोएगा. 왜 그래 큐티? 영지 왜 그래? 아빠 던지면 안 돼? 아빠 던지면 안 돼? 아빠 던져. 아빠 던져. 아빠 던질게.
Mo, what were you trying to do with mommy?
The game with the face.
There is no concept of that daddy is muscular, more muscular than mommy is, ना. तुम कहीं भी चढ़ जाते हो और कहीं भी कूदते हो मेरे ऊपर, हाँ? What? So I'm going to make a hanging planter, and I have this basket here, and I have these, this is an L angle to hold a shelf and stuff, and the screws that I've all painted, spray painted golden.
Our cutie is up. Good afternoon, cutie.
No, you only got this chair. You could have chair. Now you sit like this and watch. So it's finally done. Today the new piece that was added was this. Made this, made that. Hung the pot from that. And new night suit. Someone's new night suit. Show Young Jay, show mommy. Mom. Wait, pizza is coming. Ready? It's Korean channel, so Hana. So guys, it's 10:20 and now we are just going to watch drama. Grandparents have already gone inside their bedroom to rest and then sleep. And we'll watch the drama for another 1 hour and then Youngjo will be sleepy too, hopefully.
Less than 1 hour.
हाँ, less than 1 hour. नहीं, 11 o'clock तक तो देख लेंगे.
तो आधा घंटा बचा है.
हाँ, 11 until 11 o'clock and then. By the way, you can please check out this drama, Good Manager. It's super funny. है ना Monu? That actor, what's the name of that actor? You know the name of the actor?
남궁.
And there's one more drama na that you were saying that he is.
남궁민.
And वो दूसरा drama का क्या नाम है?
Stop leak.
हाँ?
Stop leak. Stop leak.
Some league.
Stop leak.
Stove League. Something on baseball on Netflix, which apparently Gonu says is also very good. However, I found out about Good Manager myself. Gonu did not suggest it to me, and it turned out to be really funny. And so far, good only. Anyhow, so I hope you all had a good day. It's Sunday. I'm sure there's a lockdown in many cities, so you must have stayed at home. And yeah, just be safe, take care of yourself, work on your immunity, and see you in the next vlog. Bye. Good night.